Hi, good morning everyone. How are you? I hope that you all are doing well. Welcome to the Shrine of English, a channel which is deeply committed to improve your English. So, guys, if you have any doubt, queries, and anything you want to ask related to English, and if you are a learner of this language and you are facing any problem, do contact. As I often say that this video also gonna be in bilingual language, Hindi, English will be using. In today's video, what we intend to do, that is the importance of English. We will be talking with I will be talking with my students today, since they are the one you might have seen them in some of the videos, that how much they have improved. This is what they are going to share a little bit with you. But most importantly, they are going to talk about, and I will be also giving you some suggestions related to reading. One thing I can suggest you, by the end of this video, whatever 10 or 15 minutes we take, by the end of this video, you will have some very clear ideas that if you are a learner, then what kind of books you should start. Many people are very confused, and in fact, sometimes what I see that teachers are even confused when they have to suggest their students what kind of books they should read. Frequently, I hear from my students they are suggested by the teachers read newspapers. Now, if someone who is learning tense, how can you expect a person to understand the language of newspaper? And at the same time, people buy tough novels like renowned authors' novels they buy from market and they try to read. So what's going to happen if you take this kind of novels, or you buy this kind of books? First of all, I want to tell you that if you start with this kind of books, very soon you will be fed up and you cannot go more than 5 or 10 pages. This you might have seen that there are people who take books, and once they start reading, then within 5 or 10 pages they give up. So I'm going to suggest you some very, very important things. If you are a beginner, then what kind of books you should read in order to improve your English. So if you are a beginner, you have just started learning English, stay with us. You are going to get some phenomenal ideas from us and you will enjoy whatever we are going to talk. This is itself going to improve your English, and then the suggestions which we will share, will talk in this video, that will also improve. So today I am here with, of course, Gagan. You already all know Gagan. These two guys I have selected for this video because they read a lot, and in fact Gagan is the one who is a sort of caretaker of my library. As you know that we have our library in which almost 1700 books are there. So in the process, in last 2-3 years, Gagan has read so many books, and he is a kind of champion when it comes to books. So he reads, and not only he's reading, but he's able to quote on a right time right authors. So to cut things short, Gagan, I want you to tell first of all with the people, or especially the learners who are starting somewhere, that when a student is starting with tenses, or when you were starting with tenses modals, so how did you start reading? Because reading is something nobody likes in the beginning.
So hello everyone. So it started like 2 years ago when Komal Sharma, there was one student. She suggested me reading books. So I started with reading Panchatantra book, or very basic books like Champak and all things. And later on I started reading some advanced book like Brian Tracy written by Eat That Frog. But first, sir, when I was reading this tenses and other things, so I started with the Panchatantra and a very basic book. So she suggested me, like, while reading, search the meaning and understand which tense is being used in this sentence. If it is written there like there was a king, so which tense it is? It is a present tense or past tense. So this is how I started reading books. Although now I have become voracious reader, but in starting I used to read only this very simple and basic books.
So, can you tell that how reading has helped you to grow? Because today, the people who listen to you, they say that, oh, you are from a Hindi medium school and you have studied things in Hindi, and very short span of time, you have improved your English so much. I personally know a lot of credit goes to your reading. So, could you tell the people that what exactly reading does if somebody is reading a lot?
So if I talk about in context of English, so reading helps a lot. But apart from English, also it helps in day-to-day life as well. Like if I talk about English, so we get so many words through reading. We come to know about so many expression. Like day before yesterday, I was reading one book, so it was written there like my heart melt like a ice under the July sun. So this was the expression. It was mentioned by one of the renowned author Dale Carnegie. So I thoroughly impressed with this quote. So we come to know about so many these words, expression, idioms, and more than words and idioms, we come to know the right uses of those things. Because if we look at the Hindi meaning of kill and beat, so both have the same meaning, marna. But in English, we can't use kill instead of using beat. So here, sir, I think reading helps to know the words as well, but also it tells like when to use and how to use the perfect word at the perfect time. So this is how it helps, and in day-to-day life also, it gives so many idea to me when I speak. So it comes like I can speak so many information and idea while speaking. So reading helps a lot, sir.
Very, very good. So, a few of the points I just want to highlight to the people who are watching. See, once you start reading, so through reading, as Gagan said, that you will come across or you will get so many different expressions, which is not possible if you are only learning grammar. Because what happens when we learn grammar, so we learn a sentence, वह घर जाता है, वह घर जा चुका है, मैं बचपन से दिल्ली में रह रहा हूँ. But this cannot guarantee you that you're gonna be an impressive speaker. What is required to become an impressive speaker is command over language. On a right time, you should be able to use right words, and not only the word, in fact, a complete selection of sentence. So reading is something which can enable you to use beautiful expression, as he said that my heart was melting as the ice melts under the sun of July, something like this. So this kind of expressions hardly people speak, but those who are readers, those who read books, they use this kind of expressions. Now we have another person sitting with us, and he is also into reading and he reads a lot. So Sujit, anything first you say, anything you wish to say?
First of all, good morning to everyone. My name is Sujit Gupta, and right now I am pursuing English honors first year from Delhi University. And about reading thing, so as Sir and Gagan bhai, he has already told, there are so many benefits of reading. So I also get same benefit when I start reading. First of all, it develops my intellect. And second thing, like in terms of knowledge, if we want to gain knowledge, so we need to read different articles, different things. But if we are not in the habit of reading, so as Gagan said, we should start with simple books. Like, and those simple books are reading short stories. If we start with short stories, those short stories are easy to understand. A lot of hard words are not used and complicated grammar is not used. So what we need to do in the starting, we need to go with simple reading, reading short stories. So this is the benefit of it. Like if we start reading with short stories, simple books, then we become in the habit of reading. And once that habit of reading develops, so we can proceed ahead. So I guess therefore it is important to read.
In your subject, in like you are doing English honors from Delhi University, so you guys have to read a lot. Would you tell like what kind of books you have to read and what are the benefits of reading those books?
Like those books are related to literature, and as we know that if something is related to literature, so those books which are related to literature, they do a kind of analysis of society, like what used to be the culture of the society and what kind of changes have happened. And when we start reading these kind of books, so we gradually start understanding the culture, understanding the society, understanding the mindset of the people. And this thing only comes when we read different books, because as being a student of honors, so I have to read classic books, and those classic books take us sometime 500 years back, 1000 years back. So when we study what used to happen 1000 years back, 500 years back, so we start doing comparison and we start taking out the best things from those societies. So I think therefore it is very important to understand a society, to understand ideologies and mindset of the people. Therefore we must read it.
Gagan, You are also reading so many books. Would you like to speak about any book presently you are reading or you have just completed?
So recently, sir, I have completed a book which is written by Om Swami. He is a very prominent author, and the book name is Mindful to Mindfulness. So I found it was a great book because I learned so many things. Although for English purpose, I learned so many vocabularies, word, idioms, and expression. But more than those things, sir, I came across so many ideas which are directly going to help me in my life because sir, I was reading about the forgiveness. So as we carry on, like we carry burden of past, like if somebody has hurt in the past, so we always carry that burden. So the author said like how to overcome from this burden, how to do it with the past mistake and hurt. So very beautifully, sir, he has mentioned and he has written how to deal with the hurt of part. So yesterday, sir, when I was reading that book, so I came to know about so many things which on day to day life, sir, I can practice. Even that author also suggested that you should write journal diary. You must have that gratitude thing in your life that by the end of your day you can write what good thing happened today, so you can write about it. So later on this gratitude nature will develop in your life, and it is going to help to lead a good life. So yesterday, sir, I was reading this book only.
So, just to make it very clear, I want to suggest you a few things. If you are a learner, guys, look how you can start reading. It's always a problem for beginners and even the people who know a bit of English. Now, let me tell you, if you are a learner or you have just learned few of the things, there is one thing you can start with that is called magazine. I would suggest, I often suggest my student the same thing because when they come to me, they say we don't like reading books because a book has 200 pages. Not everybody can read a book of 200 pages because it requires lots of patience. Similarly, if I suggest people read newspapers, so they always come up with this idea that a newspaper, the language is very boring. Second thing, it's full of crime and rape and this kind of news. So they don't want to read it because it kind of negative, it spreads negativity. Now, I here want to suggest you one important thing, an interesting thing. Start with a magazine. Magazine is also a wonderful way to start with. Why I am suggesting magazine? I can give you my example. When many years back I wanted and I was into a habit, I had just started the reading habit. I started with spiritual magazines because I had somewhere inclination for spirituality, so I started with spiritual magazines. So if you are interested in bodybuilding, there are multiple magazines on bodybuilding. If you are interested in sports, there are so many magazines on sports, a kind of sports you like. Then if you are interested in politics, so go for a magazine, because in magazine what happens, every article is of one page. So you are not bound with this idea that I have to complete it, which is actually which generally happens with a book. Once you start a book, you cannot really understand or leave the things unless and until you have completed the complete book. Otherwise you feel miserable also if you leave the book in the middle. You have this negative feeling, look, I started a book but I could not complete. Magazine will not give you this feeling that you started, you did not finish, because one article is of one page. You read an article and one page, because it ends right there and complete information is given. So this gives you a kind of positive feeling. Once you have completed an article, you will feel, wow, I completed, I know. And as Gagan was speaking about it, that vocabulary in magazines, if you go for India Today, and there are many magazines, on almost on every subject there is a magazine. So if you read those magazines, first their language is quite elegant. Second, they are written for mass, so they don't use very too many jargons. They don't use. They write in a simple language and this kind of things which can be interesting for people. So in this class, I would suggest start with a magazine. Another thing what I can suggest, start with children book. For example, Champak, Chanda Mama, and Jatak Kathaएं, and then Panchtantra. We have Panchtantra, and best would be also joke books. Buy some jokes in English. When you start with this kind of Panchtantra, Champak, Chanda Mama, so these are children's stories. So of course the language, the writers always keep very medium. They don't use very heavy language. So you can start with this. And then I want to suggest you one more thing which you can do, like अगर आपके घर के आसपास कोई लाइक इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर एंड इफ एनीबडी इज़ नियर बाय योर होम हु स्टडिंग इन पब्लिक स्कूल, so it is a book of a public school 7th class student, huh? So like I was just going through this and I saw that it's one of the renowned schools of Delhi, Bhatnagar school. So it's a book of 7th class, and the kind of English and the exercises they have given, they are wonderful. So one of the things I can suggest to all the beginners here, आप छोटे बच्चों की बुक से शुरू करें, 3rd क्लास, 4th क्लास, 5th क्लास। अगर कोई आपके आसपास कोई बच्चा किसी पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ता है, आप उसको बोलें कि गिव मी योर बुक। एक इसमें फ़ायदा क्या होता है, यू डू द फर्स्ट रीडिंग एंड जस्ट आफ्टर दिस यू विल हैव एक्सरसाइजेस। एक्सरसाइज विल लेट यू नो वेदर यू अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट, क्योंकि जब तक आप ये अपने आप को टेस्टिंग सिस्टम में नहीं डालेंगे तो यू कैन नॉट बी वेरी मच अश्योर्ड कि येस आई हैव रियली अंडरस्टूड। सो ये लैंग्वेज बड़ी इजी है इन बुक्स की और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि ये बच्चों के लिए लिखी जाती हैं। सो माई सजेशन विल बी टू ऑल द बिगिनर्स, इफ़ यू हैव a problem, if you are struggling and grappling with reading problem, start with simple books, simple magazines। जितनी सिंपल बुक्स हो सकती हैं, जितनी सिंपल मैगजीन्स हो सकती हैं, आप उनसे स्टार्ट करें। फाइंड आउट मैगजीन ऑफ योर इंटरेस्ट, आपका जिस तरह का इंटरेस्ट है वैसी बुक आप खोजें एंड देन स्टार्ट। एंड आई कैन गारंटी यू दैट विद इन few days or months you will find yourself a voracious reader, as Gagan used this word. So you will be a voracious reader. So with this we'll be wrapping up the video of today. I hope that you have enjoyed the conversation and the suggestion shared by these two students. And if you have any question, query, please leave it in our comment section. We would love to see you. And guys, don't switch over to another video before you have liked and subscribed our channel. This is important, and if it is possible, do recommend us to other people. And I wish you all the best for your learning, and see you with some other content in next video. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.